The first principle is, of course, for us to have a permanent regional identity that will give us more power and autonomy to govern our own selves and to manage our own resources. The autonomous region, as a corporate entity, will have the powers that we ask the national government to devolve to us, as enumerated already here. Now, I do not know if there is an objection to this first principle. Do we have an objection? Who doesn't like that we establish our permanent regional identity that will give us more power, that will incorporate our customs and traditions, and that will give us the power to exercise those enumerated therein? That can be improved as we go on. So, I do not hear any objection to this one. Yes, Apo Dr. Salan.
These first principles are already embodied in the constitutional provision, section 18. Now, there is an addition, however, here, number 10, which does not appear in the provision of the Constitution.
Yes, but the Constitution doesn't also prohibit us to include it. That's why we did include it. Because
under number 9.
Under number 9, yeah. Because it will be achieving the meaning of autonomy if we devote national powers to the regional government, so that it will be the regional government that will exercise them. Anyway, as we said, I hope that in substance we agree. We can improve as we go on. We are just presenting it for everybody's understanding.